Hi everyone, today I'll be making my favorite egg-free keto and low-carb savory crunchy crackers. Go straight into the ingredients. In a bowl, I'm going to place 2 cups of almond flour and half a teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to add half a cup of chia seeds and mix together. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The olive oil goes great with the chia seeds. I'm going to use my hands to mix in the olive oil. After adding the olive oil, you're now going to add slowly cold water to the mixture and then keep adding till you get a dough you can easily shape. After adding the water, remember to use your fingers to mix the water into the mixture. So you can see here I'm mixing, not kneading the dough, just mixing in the water with the mixture. Whilst mixing, I can feel it needs a bit more water, so I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon. And the water, like I said, is room temperature, not freezing. I'm going to keep on mixing till now I've achieved the desired consistency of the dough that we need to make our crackers. I've also preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. You can of course choose whatever shape you want your crackers to be. I'm going to use the classic round shape. I'm now going to roll out the dough, taking part of the dough. It's easy to manage. I'm going to use a parchment paper to put on top of the dough to roll it out, and then using your preferred cutter, I'm going to cut out the shapes from the dough. One done, place into an oven dish, then place into the oven for around 15 to 20 minutes till golden and brown. Our savory crackers or biscuits are now ready. Let them cool down and you can see they can be very crunchy and yummy. I store mine in a metal biscuit tin. It keeps them fresh quite a while and it keeps them nice and crunchy. You can eat them for breakfast, you can eat them with homemade Nutella. Any questions, any comments, please let me know. Please try it out and let me know what you think. This is one of my favorite quick recipes. No egg, no gluten, keto and low carb. And until next time.